All right, let's talk about something that is totally changing the game in artificial intelligence. It's a tool, a platform, and a community that's at the very heart of a revolution, one that's making AI open and available to everyone. Let's dive in.
It really wasn't that long ago that if you wanted to build something with powerful AI, it felt, well, pretty much impossible. It was this exclusive club. You needed tons of money, the technology was locked away inside a few giant tech companies, and for the rest of us, we were on the outside looking in. But that's all changing, and it's changing fast. We're in a whole new era now, one that's all about working together out in the open.
So, what exactly kicked the doors off that exclusive club? Well, the hero of our story today is a platform called Hugging Face. It actually started out as a chatbot project by a few French entrepreneurs. But it grew into something so much bigger. It's become the central meeting point, kind of like the digital town square for the entire machine learning world.
So what is Hugging Face really? Put simply, it's an open-source platform. It's a massive community hub where absolutely anyone, whether you're a student tinkering in your bedroom or a top researcher at a university, can go to build, to share, and to use the fundamental building blocks of AI.
Now here's the absolute best way to get your head around it. If you've ever been near the world of software development, you know about GitHub, right? It's the place where everybody stores and shares their code. Well, Hugging Face is exactly that, but for artificial intelligence. It's the go-to place for AI models, for the data they're trained on, for the whole shebang. It really is the GitHub for the AI revolution.
Okay, so we know what it is, but what does this AI hub actually look like when you pop the hood? Let's take a quick tour, okay? We're going to break down the three main pillars of the whole Hugging Face ecosystem. This is where all the magic really happens.
The whole platform is basically built around these three core ideas. First, you've got models, which are kind of like the pre-made brains of an AI. Then, they're the datasets. That's the material those brains study to get smart. And finally, you've got spaces, which are basically interactive playgrounds where you can see what these AI models can actually do.
Let's start with models, because they are the real heart of the platform. Think of them as pre-trained AI brains, all ready to go. The amazing part is, you don't have to build one from scratch, which used to take millions of dollars and tons of time. You can just download one that's already an expert at a specific job, whether that's generating images, classifying sounds, or understanding text.
And when I say there's a model for almost any task, I am not exaggerating. We are talking about, get this, over 1.6 million different models available right now. That number is it's mind-boggling. It shows you the sheer power of this community. It is, no question, the biggest AI candy store in the entire world.
Of course, those 1.6 million brains don't just magically become smart. They have to learn from something, right? And that brings us right to the second killer, datasets. If the models are the brains, then the datasets are the textbooks, the libraries, the practice questions they study from. It's just a huge collection of data that developers use to train their models and test how good they are.
And then there's my favorite part, spaces. This is the AI playground. This is where you get to actually see all this incredible technology come to life. Spaces are just live interactive demos of AI apps that people in the community have built and shared. You can go on there right now and play with an app that writes stories or one that turns your sketches into photos. It's an endless source of inspiration. Okay, I know what you might be thinking. 1.6 million models? That sounds incredibly complicated. Where would I even begin? And you're right, it could be. But this is where the real magic trick comes in. Hugging Face also created a software library called Transformers, and it has a feature that acts like a magic wand, making it unbelievably simple to use all this power. See, inside that Transformers library is something called the pipeline function, and it makes using a state-of-the-art AI model as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, step 1, you pick what you want to do. Say, analyze the sentiment of a sentence. Step 2, you load the pipeline. Step 3, you give it your text. That is it. No complex code, no reinventing the wheel. And here's what that actually looks like in practice. It's almost funny how simple it is. With just a single line of code, you can feed it a sentence like, "This explainer is amazing," and boom, the pipeline instantly does its thing and tells you, with 99% confidence, that the feeling is positive. That's how easy it is to tap into world-class AI now. So that's the how. It's powerful and it's simple to use. But let's zoom back out for a second. Why does this whole open-source approach matter so much? Well, it goes right back to that big shift we talked about at the beginning, moving away from a world where AI was secret and closed off to one where it's open and collaborative. The benefits are huge. When you use a model from Hugging Face, you get more control, You're running it yourself, not just paying to use someone else's. That also means it's often way cheaper. Because it's open, you get full transparency. You can actually look under the hood and see how it works. And maybe most important of all, you get the power of the community. You can find super specialized models for niche tasks that a big company would never bother to build.
And all of this leads to a really big, really important question, doesn't it? When you think about the future of a technology as powerful as artificial intelligence, who do you actually want in the driver's seat? A handful of massive companies making decisions behind closed doors, or a global community of builders and researchers, all working together in the open for everyone to see and benefit from?
So here's the bottom line. Hugging Face has thrown the doors to AI development wide open. It's not just a platform or library, it's a launchpad. It is the starting line for anyone, anywhere in the world who is curious about AI and wants to start building with it. So, I'll just leave you with this final thought. You now know that the world's biggest AI candy store exists. It's open 24/7, and it's filled with over 1 million incredible tools and toys to play with. So, the only question left is, what's the first thing you're going to build?